Molly.
We spent a lot of time lately going around Georgian Bay, and we just wanted to share with you all the awesome places in Ontario that we've discovered along the way.
Our next stop on our around the bay trip was Flowerpot Island.
We took a boat cruise from Tobermory. We went with Blue Heron Cruises. It was an hour-long tour on the way there.
There's a glass bottom boat that you get to go on that takes you over top of the shipwrecks in Big Tub Harbor. You get a really great view.
How'd you guys like the glass bottom boat?
We sat on it the whole hour long.
They did. They just popped themselves down on the glass. There weren't too many people on the boat, and had a great view. Once we got to the island, we took the trail to the right, so Flowerpot Trail. We walked on that a bit, and then we went down to the water at the small flower pot. So there's two main flower pots on the island. We got to see the small one, and then we actually the trail was a bit busy, so we worked our way along the shore. You can kind of like scramble along. We walked the shore all the way over to the big flower pot, which was pretty awesome. We had a really good view. Everyone else was kind of like up on the top looking down, but since we took the shore, we had a pretty good angle, right?
Yeah, it was so cool.
Yes. And the kids and I stayed dry on the shore, but...
But I got to play in the water. The water, again, is just so clear. Like, it's so clear and beautiful. A little cool.
It's freezing. It's absolutely freezing. They said you should stay close to shore because you can get hypothermia.
The water's really deep. Like, just offshore, it goes 200 feet deep, so it's very cold.
From there, we continued on the trail. There are some caves that were closed because of COVID, but that's okay. We'll come back and explore them some other time. So we took the trail down to the lighthouse station. They have a boulder beach there, and that was a lot of fun. The kids had a great time throwing rocks in the water.
Yeah, nice little rest, kind of at the halfway point if you're doing the full loop.
And then we took the mountain trail back, and that was absolutely amazing.
Whoa.
It's almost like mountain.
Yeah, mountain trail. It makes sense, but yeah, it is.
I had no idea that it looked like that on Flowerpot Island, so that was a great surprise. It was a really fun trail, I guess.
Really fun. We had just enough time to do the Marl Trail. If you don't have enough time to do it, don't worry about it. But if you have the time, it's worth the walk out. Walk out and take a look at the fog rolling in. They have 6 backcountry campsites that you can book. And I think that's something we're going to need to do. We wanted to spend more time on Flowerpot Island.
And then we hiked back to where the boats pick you up. We spent some time walking out on the rocks at the breakwater waiting for the boat. You only get 3 hours on the island. Definitely could have spent longer, but it was enough time to see everything.
next weekend we'll be posting our next video on First Peninsula. So make sure you tune in. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks.
Please subscribe and follow us on our tour around Georgian Bay.